Have you ever felt ashamed and humiliated because of someone else's criticism? Have you ever felt down because you didn't receive someone's attention or praise and you always want to seek validation from them? Or have you felt worthless because your lover left you for someone else? If you answered yes to any of these questions, it means you don't understand your own self-worth. For example, if you earn a yearly salary of $5 million and someone takes $500 from you, you might not feel too upset and might even consider it bad luck. However, if you only have $500 and someone takes it from you, your reaction would naturally be very different. That person would have taken all your possessions, and you would certainly feel angry and upset. So now, the question is, how much do you worth?
Similarly, people who understand their self-worth do not deny themselves because of other people's opinions. They do not feel low because they are not acknowledged, or feel worthless because someone does not love them.
A few days ago, a younger student talked to me about the painful experience of his girlfriend leaving him for someone else. I heard they were going to get married, and I feel so useless. I told him that whoever chooses to be with someone else is their own decision and has nothing to do with him directly. It's like some people like grapes and some people like watermelons, I said as an example. If your girlfriend chooses watermelon, it doesn't mean grapes are not good. If you are a luxury brand, would you change your price tag because someone thinks you are too expensive or because someone doesn't want to buy you, and thus, you become worthless? Self-worth is not based on other people's evaluations. Do you understand? Self-worth is determined by oneself, not by others' evaluations or by taking others' values as one's own. Do not seek validation from others. Treat yourself like you are a luxury brand, you are a rare piece of gem. Well, be sure about yourself from now on. I wish you all the best.